Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Wall Street rallies on positive news analysis. http ntvforex.com News ID 8EC1Fa914 2023 p.m. U.S. stocks have made strong gains as the new week gets underway, closing some of the gap with their hitherto strong European peers. NBSP U.S. markets find their footing. Tech stocks in the lead again. BP warns on oil outlook. U.S. indices have made great strides in early trading, while some of the fizz has come off UK and European markets as their home currencies strengthen. Friday's price action did contain some seeds of hope for Wall Street, with indices unable to take out the lows from earlier in the week. With a solid rebound in breadth across markets today as well, plus vaccine and mRNA headlines to provide positive background music, it was an apparently simple job for buyers to once again take control of U.S. stocks. In an echo of earlier weeks, big tech led the way higher, the Nasdaq 100 gaining 2.2%, while the S&P 500 clocked up a more modest, but still strong, 1.6%. It does look like the fallout from the early September madness in tech has run its course, with the overall trend higher left intact. Admittedly, there is still plenty of risk to be concerned about, including the possible implementation of more lockdowns and of course the US election, but today's price movement seems to point towards the prospect of renewed gains for equities ahead of this week's Fed meeting. Risk assets have been given a boost across the board today, although oil prices have been left out of the general recovery as investors digest BP's warning about lower oil demand in future. BP is not the first oil major to warn of decreasing demand, and it will not be an overnight change, but hard-pressed oil firms will be on the lookout for ways to move towards renewable energy. This will of course come with a cost, and if further pressure is put on dividends, then one of the few remaining attractions of the sector will be diminished. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.